So, this is the ball that Jamie said Snoop couldn't destroy. It's looking to me, well, actually, she said she didn't want him to destroy it. So we turned our back for a minute, and now look what's happening. No JW ball, no Kong, no nothing can stand this frickin' dog. But spit it out, because if you chew it, we're going to find big blue balls of poop in the goddamn backyard like we always do. So just spit it out. And this is the mom that goes, I don't want him to have that Chewy.
I said, don't let him rip
This
it
is
up.
his favorite fan, Ron. Ron hates Snoop. And this is Ashley. How pretty is she? All right, you two. Yeah, it's time for a little round of something, something, say. I don't think so. I'm not in the mood. Okay. Oh, good boy. Yeah, you know what?
Favorite toy of Sam.
I have to. That's going to cost me like $10, stupid. $10 is what that's going to cost, Mom.
Cost you the 20 today.
Oh, shit. I bought you the thing at the wine festival.
That's what I said.
All right, so
Yeah, we're even.
we're not even. It was much more than that. It was $20. But who's counting? There we go. Gotta say hello to her.
Somebody would,
Yeah, all right.
Somebody, hey.